Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fabulous world of Neha Shetty's fashion choices. From red carpet glam to casual chic, Neha's style is always on point. Let's break down some of her most iconic looks and get inspired. The actress exudes glamour in stunning evening gowns. She favors silhouettes that accentuate her figure, such as mermaid cuts, A-lines, and bodycon styles. These gowns often feature embellishments like sequins, beads, and lace, adding a touch of luxury and elegance. For more casual yet stylish appearances, the beauty chooses chic dresses that range from short cocktail dresses to long maxi dresses. She often experiments with different patterns, including florals, abstract prints, and geometric designs. Her selection of dresses showcases her ability to balance sophistication with a playful edge. Her off-duty style includes classic combinations like denim jeans paired with trendy tops or casual tees. She accessorizes these looks with stylish sneakers, handbags, and sunglasses, creating a laid-back yet fashionable vibe. Embracing the athleisure trend, Neha often steps out in comfortable yet stylish activewear. She pairs leggings with crop tops, hoodies, and sports bras, emphasizing functionality without compromising on style. She loves to blend traditional Indian wear with contemporary elements. She might pair a traditional kurta with modern palazzo pants or style a sari with a chic crop top. This fusion fashion approach allows her to create unique and innovative looks that stand out. She also experiments with Western silhouettes by incorporating ethnic motifs, such as a jacket with Indian embroidery worn over a Western dress or jeans paired with a kurta-style top. This fusion of styles highlights her versatility and creativity. The actress often graces traditional events and festivals in exquisite saris. She prefers rich fabrics like silk, chiffon, and georgette, often embellished with intricate embroidery, zari work, and sequins. Her choice of vibrant colors and classic drapes highlights her appreciation for Indian heritage. She pairs these saris with statement jewelry, such as heavy jhumkas, chokers, and bangles, completing the traditional look. For weddings and grand celebrations, Neha opts for ornate lehengas. She selects designs that feature elaborate embroidery, mirror work, and delicate detailing. Her lehengas are often complemented by well-fitted blouses and flowing dupattas, showcasing a regal and sophisticated look. Her accessory choices are always on point. She often opts for statement pieces, whether it's chunky necklaces, oversized earrings, or intricate bracelets. Her jewelry choices enhance her outfits and add a touch of personal flair. Her footwear collection includes a variety of stylish options, from elegant high heels and sandals to casual sneakers and boots. She ensures her shoes complement her outfit perfectly, whether she's dressed up for an event or keeping it casual. The actress often opts for a natural makeup look, highlighting her features with subtle foundation, soft smoky eyes, and nude lip colors. This approach emphasizes her natural beauty and fits well with her versatile fashion choices. For special occasions, she isn't afraid to experiment with bold makeup looks. This might include vibrant lip colors, dramatic eye makeup, or a glowing highlight, adding an extra dimension to her overall appearance. Her hairstyling is as versatile as her wardrobe. She effortlessly transitions between straight, sleek hair, soft waves, and elegant updos. Her hairstyles are always well coordinated with her outfits, adding the perfect finishing touch to her look. The actress is also conscious of sustainable fashion. She supports and wears eco-friendly brands and often promotes sustainable fashion practices. This includes choosing outfits made from organic materials, supporting ethical fashion brands, and recycling her wardrobe pieces. During film promotions, Neha often opts for stylish yet comfortable outfits that are both camera-ready and practical for long days of events. This can range from chic co-ord sets and stylish jumpsuits to trendy midi dresses. She often selects pieces that make a statement but also allow her to move comfortably and interact with fans. For award shows, her fashion choices are all about making a grand impression. She prefers high-fashion gowns and dresses that feature intricate designs, dramatic trains, and bold colors. Her red carpet looks are usually complemented by exquisite jewelry and meticulous hair and makeup, making her one of the most glamorous attendees. In the warmer months, the actress gravitates towards light, airy fabrics and bright, cheerful colors. Her wardrobe includes floral sundresses, off-shoulder tops, and flowy skirts. She also enjoys wearing light linens and cottons that keep her cool and stylish during the heat. For the cooler seasons, her style shifts to cozy yet fashionable outfits. She often layers her clothing, pairing turtlenecks with chic coats, or styling oversized sweaters with skinny jeans and boots. Her winter wardrobe also includes stylish scarves, hats, and gloves that add a touch of elegance while keeping her warm. The actress loves to wear statement gowns that highlight her figure and sense of style. These gowns often feature bold designs, including plunging necklines, open backs, and high slits. Fabrics like satin, velvet, and tulle are common choices, and she often opts for gowns with intricate beadwork, sequins, or lace detailing. The actress opts for classic, timeless pieces such as a sleek black gown or a minimalist white dress. These choices showcase her understanding that simplicity can often be the height of elegance. Her accessories in these instances are typically understated yet luxurious, adding just the right amount of sparkle. Neha frequently incorporates floral prints into her wardrobe, especially during the spring and summer months. She chooses everything from subtle, small floral patterns to bold, large prints that make a statement. She also enjoys experimenting with geometric and abstract prints. These can be found in her dresses, tops, and even trousers, showcasing her willingness to play with different patterns and styles. Her street style often includes edgy elements like leather jackets, ripped jeans, and graphic tees. She pairs these with chunky boots or sneakers, creating a look that is both stylish and approachable. She also embraces bohemian fashion, incorporating elements like flowy maxi dresses, fringed accessories, and layered jewelry into her street style. Her boho looks are often completed with casual sandals or ankle boots. The actress embraces traditional attire with a festive flair. This includes wearing brightly colored lehengas, anarkalis, and saris adorned with festive embellishments like mirrors, sequins, and embroidery. She often pairs these outfits with traditional jewelry, like maan tikka, bangles, and jhumkas, to enhance the celebratory vibe. For less formal ethnic celebrations, she might choose contemporary ethnic wear like Indo-Western gowns, kurti with palazzo pants, or stylish salwar suits. These outfits are often easier to wear while still celebrating Indian culture. The actress often uses monochrome outfits to create a striking and sophisticated look. Black and white ensembles, such as a white blouse with black trousers or a black dress with white accessories, offer a timeless elegance that she frequently embraces. She also experiments with single hue outfits in bold colors like red, blue, or green. These looks often include matching accessories and footwear, creating a cohesive and visually appealing ensemble. The actress sometimes embraces a minimalist fashion approach, focusing on simple, clean lines and neutral colors. This includes outfits like a plain white dress or a beige pantsuit. Her minimalist looks are often enhanced with delicate jewelry and understated accessories. Neha Shetty often opts for high-fashion couture pieces from renowned designers. These outfits are characterized by their impeccable craftsmanship, unique designs, and luxurious fabrics. She might choose a voluminous ball gown with dramatic details or a sleek, form-fitting dress with intricate beadwork. Neha isn't afraid to push the envelope with avant-garde styles. This includes wearing gowns with unconventional silhouettes, bold color combinations, or experimental fabrics. Her confidence and poise allow her to carry off these bold looks effortlessly. The actress often experiments with fusion outfits by incorporating Western elements into traditional Indian saris. This might include pairing a sari with a corset-style blouse or draping it in a non-traditional way to create a unique, contemporary look. She also embraces Indo-Western jumpsuits, which blend traditional Indian motifs and fabrics with the modern silhouette of a jumpsuit. These outfits are perfect for events that call for something both stylish and comfortable. Her accessory game is strong, with a preference for statement jewelry pieces that add a touch of glamour to her outfits. She often wears bold necklaces, large earrings, and intricately designed bracelets that complement her ensemble without overpowering it. The actress uses accessories like belts to cinch in her waist and add definition to her outfits. Her collection of handbags ranges from chic clutches and trendy crossbody bags to elegant totes, ensuring she has the perfect accessory for any occasion. For formal events and red carpet appearances, the beauty favors designer heels that add height and elegance to her look. She chooses from stilettos, pumps, and strappy sandals, often in metallic or jewel tones to add a bit of sparkle. For everyday wear, her footwear includes trendy sneakers, comfortable flats, and stylish loafers. She selects shoes that are both fashionable and practical, ensuring comfort without sacrificing style. Her hair is always styled to perfection, whether she's sporting loose waves, sleek straight hair, or elegant updos. For special events, she might add hair accessories like jewel pins or headbands to enhance her look. While she often prefers natural makeup, Neha isn't afraid to experiment with bold makeup looks for special occasions. This includes smoky eyes, bold lip colors, and highlighted cheekbones to add drama and impact. Neha frequently opts for anarkali suits for festive occasions. These floor-length dresses with fitted bodices and flared skirts are often adorned with intricate embroidery and embellishments, making them perfect for celebrations. For more casual ethnic wear, the actress chooses kurta sets in vibrant colors and patterns. She pairs these with leggings, palazzos, or churidas, and often accessorizes with statement earrings and bangles. In themed photo shoots, she explores creative and dramatic fashion choices. She might dress in period costumes, high-fashion editorial looks, or themed outfits that align with the concept of the shoot. These photo shoots allow her to showcase her versatility and willingness to experiment with different styles. The actress embraces tropical prints and breezy outfits. This includes floral maxi dresses, printed bikinis, and colorful sarongs that reflect the relaxed vibe of her getaway destinations. Her vacation wardrobe balances comfort and style, with easy-to-wear pieces like shorts, tank tops, and sundresses. She accessorizes with sun hats, sunglasses, and beach bags to complete her look. For formal business events or meetings, the actress often opts for tailored power suits. These suits, in classic colors like black, navy, or grey, are paired with crisp blouses and high heels, projecting confidence and professionalism. For formal dinners or events, the actress chooses elegant dresses that are sophisticated and stylish. These might include midi dresses, chic dresses, or A-line dresses, often in solid colors or subtle patterns. Her casual day-out style is all about effortless chic. She might wear a pair of high-waisted jeans with a tucked-in blouse, or a simple dress with a denim jacket. Comfortable yet stylish footwear, like loafers or sandals, completes her look. The actress also enjoys layering her outfits to add depth and interest. This might include a cardigan over a dress, a scarf with a top, or a jacket with jeans. Her layering techniques showcase her ability to mix and match different pieces to create a cohesive look. Neha Shetty's fashion choices are nothing short of inspiring. From glamorous gowns to chic street style, she knows how to make every outfit her own. Which of Neha's looks is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.